Hey guys, One Clue here. I hope all of you are doing really well and having a really great day. In today's video, we want to quickly talk about the Panther X2 and especially the Panther X2 dashboard. So let's get started. As you can see in the background, I opened the Twitter page of Panther. 2 days ago, they released an OTA update. They updated the Panther X2 in particular. All of them now have a dashboard. We will take a look in this in a moment. And they also fixed the SX1308 lower chip sensitivity problem. To be fair, I don't know what chiplet I'm using because I haven't opened up my Panther X2. Some of my friends, they did, and they noticed that the heat shield on the lower one module is glued to the outer housing of this miner. So I was not willing to open this up because I don't want to screw anything up there. So yeah, but what I know is in the inside they look the same like the Merry IoT or Brovan Helium hotspot. If you haven't checked out this one, you can check it on the eye on the right top. So they look basically the same in the inside. And they fixed the sensitivity problem. I hope that some of you guys who know if they are using this lower one module, that they have some better results from now on. I hope so. My results are very good, to be fair. So far, what I've noticed about my Panther X2s, I like what I see with them, and I get good connection, I have good activity, so everything is really fine with my Panther X2s, and I'm not really screwed with them. So that's good. Okay, let's talk about the dashboard. Let's hop over into it. Okay, as you can see, I'm inside, and if you're watching some of my videos, you might think, hey, this looks like the Pisces Dashboard. And yes, it does. It is really a copy from the Briffy dashboard, but with some less functions. So for example, you only see a miner name and there's no serial number, and you might see some dashboard updates and auto maintenance, but it is not the same like the Briffy dashboard for the Pisces miner, but it is really close. And to be fair, I don't mind. I really like the dashboard that Briffy creates. I like the fact that Panther is only doing like a lazy job and saying, yeah, there's a dashboard, let's just copy it and rearrange some stuff that it will work with our miner. I'm totally fine with this. To be fair, it's not a big deal. It's okay. I mean, why not? Why should I not do this? What I don't like about the Panther X2 is that we still don't have any SSH access into our miner. So we are totally only reliable on this dashboard. That's everything we get out of this miner. Yeah, I mean, you can see your CPU usage, you can see your memory usage, your disk space. If you go onto tools, you can check all the things out. I'm not quite sure what kind of fast sync they use because as I told you, we don't have any access into the SSH for now. I noticed some guys on some of my Discord servers that they are telling me, hey, there is a way to spoof into the miner, but it's a bit complicated. And I'm not willing to go into detail about this in this video. But the first thing I would recommend you guys to do is to reset your password. If you log in the first time in your dashboard, there will be a pop-up window and it will ask you, hey, what's your username and what's your password? And the standard username and password for your Panther X is admin as username and admin as password. So just do this, change your password. I would really recommend it, and then you should be good, because if somebody goes into your network and can open stuff here, maybe they screw something. You don't know. They can just disable the miner from doing its thing, and yeah, that's not good. So just change it. The info on the logs are basically the same like on the Briffy dashboard for the pushes. So you get some basic information in the info tab. It's like the copy of the Explorer, of the Helium Explorer, and on the logs you will see some minor logs, some witness logs, and some error logs. And yes, I know there are a lot of errors, or you might think there are a lot of errors. But guys, keep in mind, as long as this device is running and it's doing its job, don't do anything. Just ignore all the errors. That's the same that I'm always talking and always writing in the Pisces Discord channel, that if you have some issues with it, okay, then you might think about fixing anything. But as long as it is running and it's creating some rewards for you, don't change anything about it, as long as it's not like 0.0005 HNT a day or whatever. Then maybe your location is bad or anything else is wrong with your miner. But as long as this is not the case for you, please don't consider changing anything or trying to fix anything, because it's working. And those errors are kind of normal to have on a device like this. Basically, that's it for today's video. I thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.